Barinda Cox Fish Market.
Yes.
That's where we're going.
Yeah. She was
Okay,
like the
guys,
main and the head of the fisheries in selling. She always, I think she had her own boats.
Yeah.
She would always sell fish. She'd meet you and greet you very nice.
That's Barinda?
Yes. But she passed
so
away.
they just named the fish market after her.
She would meet you. She would greet you.
Wow.
And she would always tell you which you have, what you should have, which is the best one, which is good for frying, which is good for steaming, and all of that.
So guys, walk with us to the fish market. Barinda Cox. Fish market. Oh. What's your chicken?
Yeah, they are all over the place. So this is where everybody is. The vegetable stands over there.
You want to start that way?
We don't have to go down to that other one, you know.
No, right here.
Yeah.
And we'll just go around.
You gonna come back and hit me? We going here?
Wait, stop.
I hit the car though.
Hush. What she do?
He was coming back, I hit the car. Yes, please. Good afternoon, friends. I'm here with my friend from Jamaica. We're doing a vlog. That is true. So this is it. She is.
No, I am doing a vlog. Yes. I'm looking at the fruits and the vegetables and all of that.
The sab and everything nicely displayed.
All of these are grown here?
Yes, I believe most of them are local. That's my friend from Jamaica. This is my Jamaican friend. These two are, I think, sisters. They're sisters.
Okay.
This other lady is Angela. She lives up by me. Not sure who the other lady is, but she's a friend. Well, she's the older sister. Yes, the older one.
Okay.
So that's how it is.
What kind of pepper is this?
Well, they call it hot pepper, but that's not the Scotch bonnet. That's just a regular hot pepper.
Tiger pepper? Tiger teeth? No?
No, tiger teeth is a longer one.
Repeat? Yes, this is my third day.
Yes.
Oh yes, it's okay. No.
Sweet potatoes and the yams are on the other side.
You have been to Jamaica before?
Yeah, man.
Why?
I can't ride.
Those are the local lines.
Yeah.
So the sweet potatoes and all that is over on the other side over there.
Okay.
How much are the limes, please?
Hello.
May I have a pack, please?
Oh, these are the limes?
The limes are on the other side over there.
Oh my God.
Oh, by the way, this is Sirleen Nurse, and this is a cousin of mine. She lives in Silver Sands as well. That's my friend from Jamaica. Yeah, thank you. All righty then. We can go solo. Bye bye.
Where's the lady?
I don't know where to go.
The lady said that she would have come to Jamaica because she can't run.
This is another stall and another one here. So everybody well packed up. Right. So
this is a fish market.
Fish market, fish people. Whatever fish that is there, I don't know, ready to cut up. And these will be in the bins where with the ice, where the fish
and stuff
are kept.
Okay.
I guess they pack them in here for the day and then they unpack them because they
look
have
at that
their
big
own.
one. Yeah. What kind of, I can go and record him?
You can ask the guy there. Excuse me. Hello. can we do a little video on your fish? Is that okay? We need to know which kind it is though. We want to know which kind of fish it is. Oh, it's a swordfish.
Oh, swordfish. Okay. Oh.
Wow. Oh, that's the
in the
tuna
Caribbean
one.
Sea?
Of course. I assume so because somebody didn't get caught outside Barbados.
It's called long lining.
It's called what?
Long lining.
Long lining.
A special fishing do for that.
Oh.
You ship them out.
So this one is tuna. I like dolphin though. I like dolphin.
You like the rattle.
You want to?
What's your name for it? The rattle.
That is where the boats used to come in here.
Yeah, I don't mind. You wear them with the rattle.
Yeah.
They just have a dolphin.
I know. So that's.
But when you say dolphins, they have to flip upside and they don't flip up.
Yes, they do. They do.
You said the rattle.
So one like this tuna would weigh like what, 100 pounds?
That tuna there, so should we have to split 100 pounds?
Huh?
We'll split 100 pounds.
What they normally do with the bones? Throw it away? After the fillet. Okay.
So you sell the bones for people that have dogs or what?
If you want the bone, then come want the bone.
Oh, okay, it's free.
Come on, job it, you don't want it. For the woman here, that's small.
It's the same tuna he's cutting?
Yeah, that's smaller one.
But
Yes, Missy.
Maximum for that.
Yes, Fergie.
I am good. You all right too? Ready?
Good?
Ready.
all right, thank you.
Thank you.
I need the water.
Good afternoon. We just having a little tour and doing a little video and all that. Thank you. So that's how they approach you, very nice and mannerly and you know,
Yes.
like that.
Oh, so it's mostly tuna.
Well,
So-
tuna and everything else. Now this is in memory of one lady here that got killed right there where that black and white post is. So somebody reversed, it was a freak accident.
Yeah.
That's when they decided to put all those yellow
Okay.
poles over there. You're gonna go around that way and have a little look and see?
Give me this side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's like the main
What's
entrance where the jetty goes off that way.
those are baby tunas? What kind of fish are those? Carpet? Oh. Okay. Tarpec is the first I'm hearing that fish.
T-U-R, I think P-I-P. So everybody over here got their own stall. They gotta pay for the ice inside. So that's how it goes. Hello, how are you? How are you doing? She used to get fish from you all the time. If you see her, you will know her. All right? Okay.
All right, take care.
Hi. So all of that is the whatever that is on there.
Oh, see,
Yeah.
Brenda Cox.
Very nice lady she was. Yeah. So all of that is the fisheries.
So the fish places nearby where they, like the boats, they come in right near here,
at the end of the
and
jetty
then
where
they
we
do
saw
the
just now.
purchase.
Where they come in and they purchase from the boats, or they have pre-orders or things like that. So
Okay.
yeah, I guess they have the regular customers, so they would know what they want.
Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of